And welcome back to another Maintenance Monday. It's Maintenance Mike here with another little tip and maybe just a little bit of information here for you today. So I get a lot of calls on sewer smell, okay? It always seems to be like they got some kind of smell in a bathroom, a kitchen, whatnot, coming from the sewer. Well, let me go over a little bit of information about how the plumbing is ran in your home and why you're not really smelling a sewer smell, but maybe something else, okay? So here is your sink. Here's a drain that goes through basically your trap, okay? It's coming through the trap, and then it goes down through the sewer, okay? This area of the trap traps water, okay? The reason it traps water is because you will have sewer gas that can come up, but it stops here at the water. It cannot penetrate through the water trap, okay? So we're not really smelling a sewer gas, but what you might be smelling is some dirty, stagnant water, okay? You're using your sink, you're brushing your teeth, you have soaps, you have different things that are running through your sink and through the trap, and some of that will settle here in the bottom of your trap, okay? And the stuff that gets inside the trap can produce a smell, okay? So we're gonna come right over to a sink that I have right here, and I'm gonna pull the trap, and we're gonna take a peek at the trap, okay? And here we are underneath the sink. Here's the trap I was talking about. This is what's trapping the water, okay? This allows that sewer gas to stop here. I don't know if you can see that, but stop at the trap. Okay, I'm gonna remove the trap. There's basically a collar here and here, just a little connection. These are usually hand tight. You shouldn't need any tools to actually remove it. If you needed to, maybe you're gonna need a pair of channel locks, okay? But these should be pretty much finger tight, and you should install it finger tight, okay? So I'm gonna just remove this. You see I have a pan down here. You're gonna get some water here, so you're gonna wanna make sure you're catching any water in there, okay? Then I'm gonna remove the other one. And we're gonna have a little bit of water coming out of here. And we're gonna remove it, okay? Now look at the kind of stuff that I am finding in our trap. Looks like we've been dumping some coffee down here. Okay, I've dumped out all the water. Now I'm gonna show you what the inside of your trap looks like. You got a good look at that? Okay, here are a lot of coffee stains. We do a lot of coffee at this, but let's think about if this is your bathroom sink and the toothpaste and maybe the hair products or whatever else you might have, it's getting trapped in the trap, okay? So this one, it smells like coffee, okay? I go into some other customers' homes and you got different toothpaste and stuff like that. And yeah, it smells all great when it came out of the tube. Doesn't smell so great when it's been sitting in your trap for a year and a half, okay? So what you might wanna do, take a towel, rag, whatever you can, and basically wipe out that trap, okay? When you go to reinstall it, you're just gonna put it on, kind of line it all up. Okay, once you get it all lined up, you're just gonna take those nuts on this collar and you're just gonna tighten them up. Both of them, just kind of get them started. Once you get them both started, then you can tighten up each one completely. And again, we're just going hand tight, okay? Doesn't have to be much more than hand tight, okay? Just like that. Gonna go ahead and run a little bit of water through there, give it a little shake, make sure that we don't have any leaks here after we've put that back together. But that's all you really have to do to get your trap put back on, removed, cleaned, all that good stuff, okay? So hopefully this has helped you out. Remember, sewer gas smells really can't come up through past the trap. Water's trapping the gases on the side that needs to be trapped on, okay? So hopefully this helped out. Gonna catch you again next Monday for a Maintenance Monday.